Hey y'all, hey, welcome back to my channel, Lexquisite Life, where we learn to live our lives exquisitely, one plan at a time. Thank you guys so much for stopping by. We're gonna hop right into our meal plan because it is Monday, and that's what we do on Mondays. We meal plan. We get our diet together. Not diet as we trying to be skinny, but you know, health-wise, we trying to get it together, y'all. So I'm going to be using the watercolor gold sticker book. This is one of my favorite sticker books. I'm definitely going to have to purchase a second of these. To be honest, most of the sticker books that I have, I usually purchase in twos because, like, if I get them, it's because I know I'm really going to like them. There's a few sticker books that I bought that I was like, girl, what was you thinking when you was dying to get this? But in other news, so we're going to go ahead and white out this focus. And more just that side, because what I'm going to do is going to cover that all up anyway. And we just going to get started right here. Right here, right here. So for those of you who have been hanging out with me for a while, oh, I'm going to cut this sticker in half, y'all. Oh man, I left my scissors on my desk. Hold, please. And if y'all hear shooting and stuff in the background, my nephew's in there playing the video game, so it is what it is. So I'm just gonna go ahead and cut this one in half. Oh, that came out so country. I'm just gonna go ahead. Sometimes I'll be surprised at myself. I can go back in the book because we're gonna use that again eventually somewhere. So I'm just gonna put this right here to let it go ahead and cover up errands. I'm gonna do the same thing with this green one. Or you know what? I ain't gonna put it back in the book. I'm about to use it right on this spread. Okay. I'm gonna go ahead and put this one down here. Cause my shopping list shouldn't be that big for next week. So that's what I was saying before I got all distracted cutting these. So I'm still following the cookbook, Cook Once, Eat All Week. I'll link it below if I don't forget. Just gonna be honest. So, well, I kind of like how I did that there. That's cute. Now with the bottom, I pulled the Popsicles out of here. And I'm just going to lay them. Oh crap, okay. And this spread definitely comes credit to my nephew because he was talking about Popsicles the other day. And I couldn't think. I was like, what spread am I going to do? I was like, I don't know. And I was like, let me try to use a sticker book I haven't used in a long time. And voila. Watercolor goals came to mind and I was like, yeah, we're going to do that. So we pretty much have this done. Like minus, I did want to put these two icons in here because I'm gonna, well, I guess it's staying right there because it shows stuck. Didn't give me no time to try to get it up on there. So where's this first dot that's in the way? There. So we'll go ahead and write groceries and household. much. And this side is done. Boom, tap. We out of here. And then here, this is the one I knew for sure I was going to end up having to cut this off some. I didn't want to, but I knew that was going to happen. What if I do like this? Because then I can kind of find out where I need to cut it at. Because I need to have space to write for Monday. Girl, and you did that so... If I line it up at the top of the page, it'll probably... Nope, that's not what I want. Oh, why is this so difficult? You know, that's what I am going to do. I'm just going to line it up at the top of the page, and then we don't have to cut nothing. Because it's like a half a smidge off of the top of the page anyway at this point. So remember when you're planning, if you go out the lines, it's okay. Oh, that can be moved over, but I'm not pulling that up no more. So, this week is the week that I'm going to start cooking on Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays because those are the days that I will be home and I won't be at the gym. And life happens and life seems to love trying to kick me when I'm down, but I'm not letting life do that. So, oh, I'll close these scissors. Them scissors need to be cleaned. I thought I had just cleaned them. Unless I got my scissors mixed up with my girlfriend's scissors, because we do have the exact same ones. I'm just trying to find, there it is. I was like, I'm just trying to find my popsicle page to try to find another. Let me use this pink because, yeah, I got the purple up there. Alright. So I'm just putting them catty corner on the page. Oh. Okay. Let me see, because I'm not trying to cover up Wednesday. There we go. Just have to cut off that left counter. Let me trim these edges real quick. And how I know I'm gonna have to cook on, well, besides me having to change around my schedule a little bit, is because we still haven't even gotten to the last meal from last week. Go ahead and put this choose happiness right here. And then I'm gonna put the shine bright over here. And there we are. That was cute, quick, and easy. That's what I like. Bada bing, bada bam. Or do I wanna? Do I wanna? I think I do. There we go. There we go. There we go. There we go. Yes. I like that. That's cute. All right, you guys. This is our meal plan for the last week of July. Monday the 27th through Sunday the 2nd. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe, and tell me how you meal plan. Bonus if you got pictures. I would love to keep the community going, and I'll see you all in my next one. Bye now.